If you're anything like me, you know running an Etsy shop can be totally overwhelming. I get it. There's keyword research, product descriptions, brainstorming ideas. It's just a lot. But what if I told you that AI can actually handle the majority of this for you? In this video, I'm breaking down 4 ways I use AI to make my life easier and my Etsy shop more profitable. Alright, so here's the deal. AI can sound intimidating, but honestly, it's just a tool. A really powerful one that can make running your Etsy shop way more efficient. With AI, you can literally automate so many parts of your processes, and I'm going to share with you exactly how AI has made a real difference in my shop and how it can help you save time, work smarter, and honestly make you more sales, because it's all about the dollar at the end of the day. Okay, first up is keyword research. Now, if you've watched any of my videos, you know I talk about this like it is water. Keywords are the foundation of your Etsy shop's visibility. Without the right keywords, your products are going to get buried in the sea of listings and nobody will ever purchase from you. And that sounds like a sad life, I'm not going to lie. But here's the thing. Keyword research can be so time consuming and it can be tough to know where to start. And that's where AI comes in to save the day. Let's say I'm thinking about creating digital wedding invitations. I'll type something in like, give me a list of long tail keywords for digital wedding invitations. AI will give me some ideas like editable wedding invitation templates, minimalist wedding invitations, rustic wedding invite templates. Now, once I have this list of potential long tail keywords, I don't just pick one and go with it. I like to double check them by using other tools like Everbee or Allura. Now, obviously these are paid tools. These are my preference, and I always tell you guys, please get a research tool because it will make your life so much easier. Ideally, you want to have keywords that have high search volume, but very, very low competition, because that means money in your pocket. For example, if I see that editable wedding invitation templates gets a lot of searches but is a highly competitive term, I might try something a little more niche. This process has really helped me zero in on my keywords that are more likely to convert, and it's a way to make sure my listings are seen by the right people, and it literally has saved me so much time compared to doing all of this manually. Okay, the next thing AI helps me do is my product descriptions. Now, we all know how important it is to have SEO optimized product descriptions, but let's be real, writing them suckers can be draining. Plus, you need to make sure you're hitting the right keywords while still making the description sound natural and engaging. It's really just a balancing act at that point. However, I use AI to write SEO optimized descriptions that check all the boxes, doing these 3 things. I start by telling AI exactly what I want. For example, I'll type, write a product description for a digital budgeting planner, include keywords like monthly budget, printable planner, and financial tracker. Then AI will generate a detailed description for me that sounds professional and hits all the SEO points. And here's an example of what it might come up with. This printable budgeting planner helps you manage your monthly expenses, track savings, and stay on top of your finances. It's designed to make budgeting easy and accessible with simple categories for every part of your budget. Do you see how I would never have been able to come up with that on my own? Like, literally. That is word for word AI. I'm literally reading it right now. The best part is AI gives me a solid base, and all I have to do is tweak it to match my shop's tone. Sometimes I like to make it sound more friendly or more professional. It really just depends on what I'm going for that day. Using this process is so much faster than writing from scratch, and it's always SEO optimized right off the bat, so it really takes the worry off of, oh my gosh, did I write my description to be SEO optimized? Does my description have any SEO keywords in it? Like, it completely negates any of that. If you're ever stuck on what to sell next, AI is amazing for brainstorming product ideas. It's like having a creative assistant that can literally give you fresh ideas you might have never thought of. Let's say you run a shop that sells digital planners. Instead of wasting time thinking of new ideas, I'll just ask ChatGPT something like, hey, give me 5 unique digital planner ideas for people interested in fitness. Boom. Just like that, I'll get ideas like fitness tracker planner for gym goers, a meal planning and workout schedule bundle, and so on and so forth. Not only does AI help me generate new product ideas, but it also helps me tap into niche markets. I might have never thought about creating a fitness planner if it wasn't prompted for by AI. And the cool thing is these niches often have less competition, so you can make sales way faster. This method is so helpful for when I feel stuck or I feel like I've exhausted all of my options. AI really sparks a sense of creativity in me and really helps me to expand my product line. And now, I think this is honestly my favorite part of all, is you do not need to be an expert in every single niche to sell products for it. With AI, you literally don't even have to fully understand a topic to create and sell products in that category. It can write all the content for you, making it possible to sell in every single niche that you want. For example, let's say you want to create resources for teachers, but you're not a teacher. You never went to school. You never got the bachelor's degree to be a teacher. Trust me, I didn't. I don't know how you could. I applaud them for sure. This is where you can use AI to fill in the gaps and give you everything you need to create your product listings. I'll ask AI, what tools or templates do teachers need in their classrooms? And it'll give me a list like seating charts, lesson plan templates, parent-teacher communication forms, and so on and so forth. AI will literally generate a full description for me, and I don't have to know exactly what a lesson plan looks like to make it work. You just need to ask the right questions, all right? And AI does the rest. Once I've got the ideas, I can ask AI, write a description for a teacher lesson plan template, make it sound helpful and professional. AI will literally generate a full description for me. I don't even have to know exactly what a lesson plan looks like to make it work. You literally just have to ask the right questions and AI does the rest. You don't have to be an expert in any niche to create products in it, and that opens up so many possibilities for you to make sales and become rich. All right, so that's how I use AI to make more money on Etsy. From finding high-performing keywords to writing descriptions and even creating content, AI is a tool that can save you time and help you grow your shop. Now, if you found this video helpful, please hit that button and subscribe for more Etsy tips, and let me know in the comments how are you planning to use AI in the shop, and just let me know if you found this video helpful and give me some feedback down in the comments. I'd love to hear back from you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.